Hey there. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick tips to help you increase customer conversion and turn more of your Google Form submissions into paid orders using payable apps. If you've ever wondered, why are some of my orders unpaid? Is something wrong with my form? Don't worry, it's not a problem with your form. Think of it like an abandoned shopping cart. Let's go over how to make sure your form is set up for success. First things first, make sure your form is collecting emails. When you set up the Payable add on, we automatically enable a setting to collect responder emails. This lets us connect each order to a customer and send them order notifications, including their invoice for payment. However, sometimes users go back and turn off this email collection question. Don't do that. If you've turned it off, your customers won't receive their order summary email, meaning they won't be able to access their checkout page later if they close their browser. If email collection is currently disabled on your form, be sure to set it back to responder input. Here, you'll now see the email input field on my form, and all is well. Next up is payment reminders. Payable Forms has an email reminder feature that automatically follows up with customers who haven't completed payment. Once you turn it on, we will send a gentle reminder 24 hours after an order is created if it is still in an unpaid status. Here's how to enable it. Open the Payable sidebar by clicking Add-ons, Payable Forms, and Configure Payment Settings. Scroll down to the Notification Settings section. Toggle Send Payment Reminders to Yes. Sometimes a little reminder is all it takes to complete the sale. You can even send additional reminders manually. We've got that linked in the video description below explaining how to do so. Now, take a look at your form and ask yourself, can someone submit it without selecting a payable item? If so, you might be getting submissions that don't generate any amount owing. To fix this, make sure at least one question that includes a price is marked as required. In Google Forms, simply toggle the required switch on your payable question. This ensures users can't skip it, helping reduce unpaid or free orders. Finally, let's talk about improving the user experience of your form. Adding visuals to your form makes it more dynamic and engaging, especially on mobile devices. You can add an image to a question or even to each response option. Just look for the little image icon when editing your form and upload your visuals. It's that simple. Lastly, consider the navigability of your form. If it's long, you can use Google's Go to section based on answer logic. This allows users to skip over sections that don't apply to them, creating a faster, more personalized experience. Want to see how it's done? Watch this short tutorial video afterwards. And that's it. By ensuring your form collects emails, enabling payment reminders, requiring payable questions, and maximizing your user experience, you'll be well on your way to boosting conversions and capturing more payments. For more how to videos and helpful tips, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update from Payable Apps. Thanks for watching.